27th. You went to a check cashing spot on the 28th and cashed it. I'm sure your dealer had your money in his hand before lunch.
Yeah, you're right about that. What's she paying for, Nathan? Let's just say, I did some landscaping work for her.
Let's just say, you're gonna need to elaborate on that.
And you're gonna have to incentivize me if you want me to talk.
Incentivize you? Okay, well, how's this? You cooperate and we'll take you back to county lockup to be arraigned. Don't. And I'll personally make a call to the U.S. attorney to make sure you end up in a supermax for a very extended vacation. How's that for